Tornado watch!
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Fayette, Union, and Wayne, and the following counties in Ohio: Butler, Champaign, Clark, Darke, Greene, Logan, Miami, Montgomery, Preble, Shelby, and Warren, and the waters of Lake Erie from the islands to Vermilion, Ohio.
Yes.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Yes.
You're listening to NOAA